Spoken English is very important in day-to-day life because it helps you communicate clearly with many different people. Here are a few simple reasons why it matters. Helps ends conversation whether you are shopping, traveling or asking for help. Being able to speak English makes things easier because many people understand it useful at school and work and college and schools. Offices English is often used for discussions, meetings and presentation. Good spoken English can help you share your idea confidently. Builds confidence. When you can speak English well, you feel more comfortable talking to others, meeting new people, and joining conversation. And opens more opportunities. English is used all over the world. Knowing how to speak it can help you get better jobs, study, and other countries or connect with people online. Helps in using technology. Most apps, websites, and use English. Speaking and understanding the language makes them easier to use. And simple words, spoken English is very important because it helps you express yourself, connect with others, and take advantage of many opportunities in everyday life. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks.